for the gods, honey. Stay tuned.
Nijah, I'm back with another video. So Air Fryer Bae is back. Like y'all just don't understand. Like, since I got this air fryer, like I told you, I just been so inspired to just fry. Well, air fry. So I just finished making those air fried zucchini chips. If you haven't seen that video, go on and watch that after you finish watching this one, okay? So now today we are going to be making some tilapia fillets. The brand is by Cape Gourmet. I get them from my local shop, right? Now, this is my second time making them, and the very first time I made them, I didn't post a video. Duh. But yeah, I posted them on my Facebook like page. It's your girl Nijah, and I got so much support, and y'all were like, girl, you know, you did that. Hit us with that review. Like, no, y'all ain't really say that, but I know y'all want one. But anyway, one comment in particular, I'm gonna share it here so y'all be able to see it. She was like, that fish looks seasoned for the gods, honey. So Stephanie, thank you so much. And without further ado, I'm getting ready to season this tilapia for the gods, honey. Stay tuned. And in case you don't know, sometimes I'm real calm, but then sometimes I break out with the antics. So that's what you're getting today. Okay. Okay, so each fillet comes individually wrapped. So all I did here, I cleaned it, and now I'm patting it dry because I'm prepping the fish so that the fillets can be well seasoned. It seems like they're better seasoned when they're semi-dry versus like dripping wet. It seems like the seasonings really get into each fillet, like each flake of the fillet. Okay. One of the beauties of cooking is that you get to experiment with different flavors, different spices. So you can feel free to use whatever you want. You can use some of what I use, or you don't have to use any of it. But I love to see my food very colorful. I love to, when I taste it, I love to, taste the different flavors and whatnot. And I know you're like, girl, what you finna do with this all? Well, I'm gonna show you. I have this little method where it's like I kind of like, I guess you would call it base the fillet, because like I said, I want the flavors to be in every fiber and every flake. Okay, now get into it. So all I'm doing in this step is just coating our air fryer. I'm like, our girl, it's mine. All I'm doing is coating my air fryer with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray. And do you see the seasonings? Like, yes. Make sure your fillets are seasoned for the gods too. Okay. All right, so my temperature is going to be 350 degrees. My time is going to be 18 minutes. And believe it or not, I did not stop midway to flip it over. I just let it cook, and you'll see in the next clip how it came out. All right, so we're on the last minute, and we're about to open this up, see what it's looking like. And that's the timer. Yeah. Done. Looking real nice. Yeah, so that concludes this video. I'm going to say thank y'all so much for watching, and I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Bon appetit.
Okay, sis.